In this video, we're going to learn about multiplication using an array. So if we have a problem like this that says model 5 by 6, which equals 30, using an array. So this is a good way to visualize what multiplication actually looks like. So we're going to use this grid and we're going to start filling it in. And on this grid, these are known as the columns and these are known as the rows. And what we need to do is add 5 rows of 6 columns. So we're going to need 5 rows and 6 columns. So let's start filling it in. So our first row has 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we just continue doing that 5 times. There's the second one. There's the third one. There's the fourth one. And there's the fifth one. And if we look here, we could see that there's 30 squares filled in, right? So there's 6 here, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So that's how multiplication, if you have to visualize it, that's how it'll look. So these are the 5 rows, these are the 6 columns, and then finally, this is the array of 30. And that's really how you can visualize multiplication. And this is a good tool to remember. It just makes it easier for you when you think about multiplication. I have other resources in the description. There's links to other videos that are like this, so check those out. And also you can download my ebook that has this exact lesson in there, and you could just follow along each lesson with the video. And if you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.